like a tractor van. I'm like a van magnet. I'm like a jail magnet. One frostan. I got a goddamn fit on a zipper. Got down a fool, no nang. Get the kuta bato, Pelavan Roja, Baon Jaja. But we get over bona necking. Get it Sibona Molefasi, Moabo. I bet Pelabato, I put on a number facility. Get it Sibona, my boy. So I want to break in ya, no one. Get vacation, taking a nice vacation. Well, I want a vacation out on a lower Turunku. It's nice. Paolata speciale, but was Miss Petrol Labon. Pauto Lata Pila. I want a helmet like a key, Thames. Helmet Pelagone gave out like Irumetic among. It's a better to come. Give the helmet. Tem. One frostan. We are Turunku, Paolata special caven. And then Bao for the bracelets, some nice bracelets. Bao fagaton, Moma to who. What oha, Bao bulela le mati. Bao bulela, O bulil bati, Bao bulela le mati, Balibu.
Ashesa. Aye, Benelin. Sure times a zero two. Aye. Eh, Mom Tanga Benga Braja, Naman. Aye, nothing will come on, not to it.
Hello, Mzanzi, it's Agasab Girl. I saw 2 videos of Shebeshet's car on social media. So what confuses me is that the investigating unit has seized his cars and also went to his house as well. Sometimes I don't mind to be rectified. Marafugo chanyana tleka mo comment sectioning. I'm just a woman. Ki Johnny Walker. Ya go la 350. So cha gore Shebe o driver number 80 not 7R. Na ke bone difference. Na ke no bana Charlie Blue fela. So bela lena tsa re ke mo comment sectioning langkapa. And if batho ba itire close to 4 people bang correct holla. Ke a theleja. A ke be stubborn. A ke claim gore ke tsibinki. Waba, so enough ka jewe. So mabane lo gane ke bone nako era a postile video a driver Charlie Blue. So I got confused. I was like, what the hell is going on? I want you guys to watch this and then I'll come back with my commentary.
Where he shot one person and that person apparently still in hospital. Shot. Yeah.
So you might go in for this, no?
Yeah. And I refuse to believe there's no people around Shebe who are sober enough to advise him. Sometimes in life, bro, people buy a cruiser, and if you don't listen, then you will experience what you have to experience. But you don't always need to experience these things. Just listen.
Yo.
And also, when things happen and God nudges you and says, yo, this path is not the path you should be on. I remember, man, and I hate to bring this up, but I remember when he lost his child, may his soul rest in peace, in an accident of the car he was driving. I thought that would be a change.
Turning
that
point.
would trigger, that would be the turning point and trigger a change, you know? But if it hasn't, then folks gotta go what they have to go through to learn. Like, we've all, the scales are different, but we've all gone through things, and sometimes you know that this is not the right thing to do, but if you continue, you'll find out.
Yeah.
So sometimes people just gotta find out, man.
Because God always gives you warnings, like,
bro, and it's
you say
blessed.
no. You say no. And if you don't listen,
yes. Like, it's so blessed, bro. I'm like, and it's so blessed,
bro.
You see his gig guy, it's like 50 gigs. And there was a time where this guy probably never thought, like, there was a time, and I think sometimes it's good to always go back to that time, when all these things you didn't have, you were dreaming of them. Some, you didn't even have the comprehension to dream of such, privilege.
Do you think,
and we
though,
forget when we're in that privilege.
Do you think, though, he's obviously, I guess, he's not scared of just going back to prison. He's almost like he finds it as something that will give him more power.
Jail magnet. One frostan. a ke re ka da mfetho ha ona tsepaya ka da ona phone ha onang ke te khutsa batho ba phela ba nroga ba on jaja.
When he comes out, I'll be even celebrated even more. Do you think that's maybe the
Nah,
kind
nah,
of
I
mindset he
don't even think he thinks like that, man. It's just who he is, man.
It's just, yeah, Mecca said this. Like, it's who he is. It's not even like I'm trying to
PR.
farm all this infamy and all this being notorious.
Yeah.
Notoriety.
Yeah,
He's not trying to farm that. It's just who he is. Look at this kid guy. It's crazy, bro. And this was December, bro.
This was December.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
And he's not charging Smolanya, and he's still. So this is good bank, bro. This is good. This is blessings, man.
From his story, man.
Bro, this is blessings, bro. This is blessings, bro.
Upon blessings.
These are blessings, and you must, like, the least you must do is protect them by trying to be.
Because he seems unfazed. Like, from the way he looked, for me, it just looks
It's the
like...
demeanor in court. I saw that.
Yeah.
How many did he make?
What do you mean?
How many of these gigs did he make?
No, this is December.
This is upcoming.
Oh, this is November.
Upcoming.
Oh, what? This is not December. Oh, November. Oh,
Mzansi shebe ke le kompo ene ke typele ya gore motho dula fase le ena today wa mkhalemela wa go kwa ka moragonyana maybe wa maizisha after 2 months or 3 months wa thoma a se gore batsodi ba gaga aba duli fase le ena ba mkhalemele but you know aba khwatlishi ka moganong ene le gona they are in a difficult situation because o khalemela bya breadwinner gape if bantse ba le busy ba marasetsa ba re he tlogela megwa ga go 1 2 3 4 5 ba emeletše ka maoto ba gatile leto fase wa bona re le ena o tlolwa tsa re ke ba ba nrasetsa ba so therefore ke khathala wentsha ke sa ba tlhokomela ebile a ke sa ba thusha so batsodi ba gagwe they are in a compromising situation mar ngwana go morata wa mokhalemela shebeshitse ke ngwana magana go botswa o tla dula toronkong le ma 26 le ma 28 either way ke khalla go ya toronkong a re ke vacation ena o nyako fodisha tlhogo